Hey guys, I am Trina. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the process, the exact process that each and every YouTuber go through before they publish any video. So it will be kind of a behind the scene type of video, and I know you guys like behind the scene type of video. So I hope you will enjoy this video too. And after watching this video, you will understand that how much difficult it is to publish one YouTube video. So if you do not like any creator, please unsubscribe their channel and do not badmouth, unsubscribe and move on. So yeah, with that note, let's get started. The first step is research and find content. This is the first stage where I do research that what should I post, what's on trending. If something is trending, do I really have any interest in it? I just cannot force myself to make a video about it to become viral. If it's not coming from my heart, I just can't speak about it. So I use Google Trends, Instagram, Facebook, and while I am talking with my friends, random idea just pop up in my head, and that becomes my YouTube content. The next step is make a list of ideas. For that, I use my phone's notepad because it's easy. And sometimes I do use Google Sheet to keep a track, and phone's notepad is easy because my phone is always with me. So if I am drinking coffee on my room and some idea pops up on my head, I just pull out my phone and write it down. Third is content writing and planning. Before writing content, there is a mini step where I again do a little bit research about the topic that I have already selected and see if I can make something different from them. And with that thought, I start writing content and also planning the scene. Like if I want to create a scene where I wanted to show that I'm drinking coffee, obviously I will not make coffee for the scene. I will try to make it as aesthetically pleasant as I can by choosing the right frame. I fix a date for shooting mostly on weekend and tell my mom to shut up for a few hours so that I can shoot peacefully. Now the most awaited step, that is shooting. Finally the day comes when I have to shoot and I have to face the camera. Like today, I try to look as normal as I can, but most of the time I guess I can't. But yeah, you just don't want to look crappy in your video, so you kind of get ready for your video. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm doing a little bit makeup to make myself beautiful, presentable. Welcome to Trina's makeup tutorial. So today I will show you that how do I do my makeup using these three products. One is liner, another is lipstick that I'm going to use as blush and also as lipstick, and this one is lip balm. Lip balm from Sugar. Another product I forgot to mention is the mascara that we use on our eyelashes. So why am I explaining it so well? Because I have a lot of male audience, I know. So that is what I'm doing. So the kind of difference eyeliner create on eyes, can you see that? So yeah, that is why I prefer to use liner like always. Already decided that what I want to wear for today's shoot. That is a beautiful kurti that you have already seen in my introduction part. So here it is. This is the kurti and this is the black leggings that I'm going to wear. I really like to wear kurti. So finally I am ready for shooting, and it's just so difficult to look beautiful, to look presentable in front of the camera. Now I understand the real struggle, and beauty is pain, guys. So you will not feel motivated every day to show up in front of the camera and to make yourself presentable, to look beautiful. You just always not feel, you will just not always feel to look beautiful every day, but anyway you have to do it. So yeah, now I'm going to shoot introduction that you have already watched, and a couple of scenes that I have to shoot for this video particularly. So yeah, I'm going to do that right now. This is the part where YouTubers show their creativity, that is editing. Editing can change the entire vibe of the video. I struggled a lot initially to finalize which software I want to use. Then most of my friends, they have recommended me to use Adobe Premiere Pro. So that's what I am using, at least right now. Hashtag research and writing caption. I use TubeBuddy free version to do hashtag research. The more ranked hashtag you have in your video, there are more chances that your video may go viral. But I have no luck, but still continuing because hard work pays off. Now the last stage, that is publishing video. Yay, it is time to publish video. What are you thinking? I got relief? Nah, I am going to plan the next video, and till then, you hit the like button, subscribe and comment down below. I will see you very soon with another interesting video. Till then, bye.